Ever wondered what it's like to shoot pro-level footage with just your smartphone? Well, today I'm about to show you how the Zhiyun Smooth 5S AI can completely level up your mobile filmmaking game. Let's dive right into the unboxing experience. As soon as you lift the lid, the sturdy storage bag immediately grabs your attention. It feels incredibly durable. Let's unzip it and see what's within. You'll find the usual paperwork, along with a handy wrist strap for added security during filming. But the main attraction is definitely the Zhiyun Smooth 5S AI itself. We'll set it aside for now, but we'll return to it shortly. In addition to the gimbal, there's a USB Type-C cable, a fill light, which includes 4 different filters, a robust tripod, and the AI tracker. Now let's talk about the design. This gimbal looks like it came straight out of a science fiction movie. The axis arms are crafted from a translucent material that feels remarkably premium, almost a tactile pleasure. And the control panel? It has a refined dual-layer cover that enhances its appeal. Plus, there's a textured silicone handle that guarantees a solid grip. However, the standout feature is the AI tracking technology embedded within. This gimbal doesn't just stabilize your phone, it tracks your subjects with incredible precision. We're talking about multi-target recognition and swift, reliable tracking, even amidst the chaos. This is all thanks to the tiny magnetic AI tracker. It quickly adapts to lighting changes, ensuring that you won't lose sight of your subject, regardless of light variations. Want to elevate your experience further? The AI tracker lets you use simple gestures for operation. A quick OK gesture initiates face tracking, while a palm gesture stops it. Plus, a Y gesture lets you start or stop recording with just a wave. It genuinely feels like something out of a futuristic movie. Imagine being able to create entire videos solo without assistance. This truly represents the future of filmmaking at your fingertips. Furthermore, this gimbal features an orthogonal 3-axis structure, granting you full control. You can rotate it 360 degrees for those stunning vortex mode shots, making your smartphone footage resemble something you'd see in Hollywood. Let's discuss the control panel. It's fully equipped for on-the-fly adjustments. With a menu button, joystick, photo, video selector, and a rotary dial, all features are within easy reach. It feels like owning a high-end camera without the exorbitant price tag. One of my favorite features of the Zhiyun Smooth 5S AI is its state-of-the-art stabilization algorithm paired with powerful motors. Whether you're walking, jogging, or in motion, this gimbal ensures your footage remains incredibly smooth, delivering a polished, professional aesthetic that's hard to match. But there's more. The integrated fill light provides an impressive illumination of 680 lux, ensuring your subject shines, even in low-light conditions. If you require extra brightness, the 2 magnetic fill lights can boost the output to a remarkable 2040 lux. It's the perfect blend of lighting, stabilization, and creativity. For those extended filming sessions, the Zhiyun Smooth 5S AI supports PD fast charging. It reaches a full charge in roughly 2 hours and delivers up to 7 hours of continuous use. Even with lights and the AI tracker on, you still get around 2 hours and 20 minutes of battery life. In standby mode, it lasts an astonishing 26 hours. That's simply phenomenal. So, whether you're just stepping into mobile filmmaking or are a seasoned pro looking to elevate your technique, the Zhiyun Smooth 5S AI is your ticket to crafting stunning cinematic content. This isn't merely a gimbal, it's a groundbreaking tool for anyone eager to produce amazing videos with their smartphone. If you enjoyed this overview and want more hands-on reviews, be sure to like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon to stay in the loop. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.